Hello, I am Jonathan, the co-founder of Théoriz studio from France. We are proud to have the opportunity to exhibit Crystallized for the Light Festival. This artwork is a video sculpture you can watch at 360 degrees. The shape of the sculptures is a reference to the bismuth crystal. You know, it's like a pyramidal shape with multiple colors, pink, yellow, green. It looks quite nice. We use holographic visual effects to illustrate the story of the creation of the bismuth crystal. You will see it's quite incredible. I really hope you will enjoy it. Jyväskylä.